Hi everyone, today we're gonna walk around a pole. Let's get started. So the first thing we wanna do is we wanna realize that just walking like so, that doesn't look the coolest, right? So let's sass it up. We're gonna go back to the walking in heels and get some of those sassy walks going by crossing our feet across, really elongating those legs as we come around the pole, picking your heels up high. Isn't it already better than just the walk? All right, so let's practice that both directions. And then on this one, we're gonna stop and we're just gonna turn, pulling our hips through and go the other direction. Come around. See all those high heel tricks moving into the pole? Now, that's our next move. So we come through, and we get to here, and we come across and bring our legs so we're facing the pole again. So we're gonna step right, left, swirl on that left foot, bring your right foot back, and bring your left foot next to you. Left, right, swirling on that right foot, bringing that left foot back, and bring the right foot next to you. Right, left, swirling, right foot, left foot, left, right, swirling onto your left, and right foot. How do you guys feel with that? I hope you enjoyed this quick little tutorial on ways to walk around the pole. Next time we'll be adding some more spins to help spice things up. So be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all again soon. Bye.